Alright everybody, here we got a maxxforce DT. I thought it was pretty cool. It's a crank no start. I had to pull the valve cover off to check out why it wasn't starting. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm replaying the clips right here, but I'm gonna have sound on this next one, so see if you guys can figure it out, see what's causing the problem. And the next clip I'll show you guys with an arrow, let you guys know exactly where it's at, where it's coming from. Alright guys, now this next clip I'll have an arrow. Now try to listen for the sound you can also hear. This is one of the pucks that are blown on cylinder number 1.